Step 1. Check your posture. Start by noticing how you naturally stand and sit. Keep your head balanced over your shoulders relaxed, and your spine in a comfortable neutral position. Step 2. Sit correctly. When sitting, keep both feet supported and avoid slouching forward. Adjust your chair and desk so your screen is at a comfortable viewing height. Step 3. Keep your screen at eye level. Position your computer or phone so you don't constantly bend your neck downward. Raise your monitor when needed and take regular breaks from looking at screens. Step 4. Strengthen your core and back. Include age-appropriate exercises that strengthen your core and back muscles. Start gently and focus on good technique rather than doing more repetitions or using heavier weights. Step 5. Stretch regularly. Gentle stretches for your neck, shoulders, chest, hips, and back can help you move more comfortably. Avoid forcing any stretch or exercising through pain. Step 6. Take movement breaks. If you've been sitting for a long time, stand up and move around regularly. A short walk, gentle stretch, or change of position can help prevent stiffness. Step 7. Adjust your sleeping position. Choose a comfortable sleeping position that allows your neck and spine to stay naturally aligned. A supportive pillow can also help you maintain a comfortable position. Step 8. Practice consistently. Good posture is a habit that develops over time. Pay attention to your position during everyday activities and make small, comfortable adjustments rather than trying to hold a rigid posture all day.